Hi there all you lash lovers. Today I am taking you through an in-depth tutorial on how you should be caring for your lashes at home. First up, let's get all of that hair out of the way. For this, I am using our cat ear headband in black, and I am first going in with our makeup cleansing and protein removing pads. I am just going through and removing the top layer of makeup from my eyelids so that when I go in and wash them, it is one step closer to squeaky clean lashes. Now I'm going in with our Wash and Wink eyelash shampoo and conditioner, as well as our eyelash cleansing brush. I love this brush. It's really soft and it doesn't pull the lashes, but it gives a really nice and deep clean. Here you can see I am going in, I am washing my lids as well as my lashes, going down the lash to make sure there is no oils anywhere to be seen. Now I'm just taking my lash bath bottle and wetting the brush, then going back through to get all of the shampoo off. You can also just splash your face with water if you're in the bathroom. Next, I'm going in when my lashes are almost completely dry, and I'm using a mascara brush or a spoolie just to brush through them, make sure that they are in place. That way when they fully dry, they are dried exactly where you want them to sit and live. You should be doing this about every 2 to 3 days, depending on if you wear a lot of makeup. Make sure that you are cleaning and keeping those lashes nice and healthy.